Ever wondered what it would take to harvest 100 tons of Titan? In this video, we explore the most powerful forestry machines on Earth. Mechanical monsters, weighing up to 30 tons. They not only demonstrate superior strength but also provide incredible flexibility when weaving through dense forests. Sawing wood in the forest. In the depths of the forest, the roar of chainsaws echoes, mingling with the powerful echoes of giant logging machines. This is not just a job, but an exciting adventure, where modern forestry equipment combines raw power with absolute precision. The loggers, the true heroes of the green forest, not only stand firmly on the mountain but also have to control each saw stroke, each winch. They are not only loggers, but also engineers, explorers, and artisans, all performing a dance in the midst of nature, where just a small mistake can change their whole life. The Timberjack 1270D is an icon in the logging industry, representing the cutting edge of modern forestry technology, designed to maximize performance and minimize environmental impact. The machine is not only a powerful workhorse but also a valuable assistant for foresters around the world. The Timberjack 1270D features a robust design, combining a durable chassis with a flexible travel system, allowing it to easily operate on the most rugged and difficult terrain. With a modern cabin, the operator is guaranteed 360-degree visibility, enhancing control and safety during work. The cabin is also equipped with an air conditioning system and a vibration-reducing seat, providing maximum comfort even when working for long periods. The Timberjack 1270D is equipped with a powerful engine, allowing the handling of hardwoods and large trees with ease. The Logset 6 is one of the most modern machines today, designed to meet the needs of transporting wood in the harshest conditions. With the combination of advanced technology, high performance and durability, this machine not only helps to optimize labor efficiency but also contributes to reducing environmental impact, an important factor in sustainable forestry. The Logset 6 is not just a normal machine, but also a reliable companion of forestry operators. With strong working capacity, superior design and environmental friendliness, Logset 6 is a symbol of the sustainable future of the forestry industry. Owning Logset 6, you not only invest in production efficiency but also contribute to building a green, clean and sustainable environment. In the field of wood processing and treatment, Remit RP200 is a name that cannot be ignored. This is a professional wood crusher, which helps turn scrap wood, branches, or even hardwood into sawdust or wood chips, serving the energy and manufacturing industries. In the modern world where technology is constantly evolving, the RP200 Super stands out as a symbol of innovation and pioneering. It is not just a regular device, but a breakthrough solution that meets the needs of many different industries. Exquisite design, excellent performance. The RP200 Super impresses at first sight with its modern, compact and powerful design. The case is made of high-grade aluminum alloy, which is both durable and lightweight, making it easy to transport and install in any environment. Inside, the machine is equipped with an intelligent microprocessor system, providing outstanding performance. Vermeer SC252 Stump Cutter, the pinnacle of technology in the forestry industry. In the forestry and landscaping industry, the Vermeer SC252 has established itself as an efficient and reliable solution for post-harvest stump disposal. It is not just a machine, but also a powerful assistant, helping professionals and gardeners save time, effort and achieve the highest efficiency. Sophisticated design, powerful capacity. The Vermeer SC252 impresses at first sight with its compact yet powerful design. With a powerful 25 horsepower gasoline engine, the machine operates stably and is capable of handling even the toughest stumps. The large wheels are designed to easily move on all terrains, from smooth grasslands to rough, inaccessible places. Valtra 8550 and Spaltbuffel, the perfect pair for farming and logging. When it comes to farming or logging, those working in this field always need reliable, durable and powerful machines. Among the outstanding equipment, it is impossible not to mention the Valtra 8550, one of the top agricultural tractors, and the Spaltbuffel, a specialized wood splitter. The combination of these two machines not only helps to improve work efficiency but also brings safety and saves significant time. Haltfix K Vario, a breakthrough in woodworking technology. In the woodworking industry, the need for optimal and powerful equipment is always a key factor to improve efficiency and reduce labor. The Haltfix K Vario, a breakthrough product, not only meets but also exceeds the expectations of those working in the industry. This is a comprehensive solution for woodworking, combining outstanding performance, flexibility and modern technology. Equis 175N, the ideal companion for outstanding performance. When it comes to the perfect combination of advanced technology and durability, the Equis 175N is not just an ordinary machine but also a symbol of continuous improvement in modern industry. With its robust design and outstanding features, The Equis 175N is asserting its position as an ideal companion for every job. Optimized design, strong in every detail. The Equis 175N is designed with a sturdy frame. Optimized for durable operation in all harsh conditions. The exterior of the machine is a combination of modern industrial beauty and practicality, ensuring easy maintenance and operation, whether you are facing rough terrain or difficult challenges. Dipperfox 160,621 Tree Stump Crusher, breakthrough solution for tree stump treatment. Have you ever faced difficult tree stumps after logging, gardening, or expanding the cultivated land area? This job is not only time-consuming but also requires optimal solutions to ensure productivity. Dipperfox 160621, the leading tree stump crusher from Europe, is the answer to all these problems. Modern technology, outstanding performance. Dipperfox 160621 is designed with the goal of optimizing time and effort, with the ability to crush tree stumps into mulch in just 20 to 30 seconds. This machine far surpasses traditional methods such as using chainsaws or manual digging. High-speed rotating grinding blade technology helps to process quickly, cleanly, and does not leave deep holes or disturbed soil, an outstanding advantage when compared to other machines on the market.
Kayunya mau ditolak, bos. Mau memotong terlalu tinggi dan sangat berbahaya. Timur yang profesional.
The HD9 tub grinder is a high-quality grinding device, specially designed to process materials from wood, organic waste to agricultural waste, with the combination of modern technology and outstanding performance. The HD9 tub grinder is not only a tool, but also an optimal solution to save time, costs and improve production efficiency. One of the highlights of the HD9 tub grinder is its powerful grinding ability. Equipped with a high-power motor, the machine can easily handle the hardest and most difficult materials, turning them into small pieces suitable for recycling or as input materials. Thanks to the sharp blade system, the grinding process is fast and achieves high accuracy. Logging in wet forest, modern machinery conquers harsh nature. In challenging wet forests, logging has never been an easy task. However, with the advent of modern technology, specialized logging machinery has revolutionized the timber industry. Not only does it increase productivity, but it also reduces the negative impact on the environment.
interested. Some help bringing me the wood.
MEBORS LH1200 is a high-quality sawing machine, designed to meet the needs of sawing wood with optimal performance. The machine stands out with its powerful operation, high precision and outstanding durability, suitable for medium and large-scale production workshops or wood processing plants. With a modern design, MEBORS LH1200 integrates many advanced features, helping to save time, reduce material waste and increase labor productivity. This is the ideal choice for those who are looking for an efficient and reliable sawing solution in the wood processing industry. The Cat D6 RXLC bulldozer is one of the top products of the Caterpillar construction machine line, featuring outstanding performance and incredible durability. With its robust design and flexible operation, the Cat D6 RXLC is not only suitable for leveling work, but also optimizes efficiency in large-scale construction and mining projects. Equipped with a high-power Caterpillar engine, the machine ensures strong traction and stable operation in all terrain conditions. The intelligent control system and comfortable cabin help the operator easily control and work for long periods without feeling tired. This is the ideal choice for contractors looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient and cost-effective machinery solution. The Lamborghini 784L is a class-leading tractor designed to meet the needs of modern farmers looking for the ultimate in performance, durability and comfort. With a powerful, fuel-efficient engine and versatile handling, the 784L easily handles everything from tilling, sowing and harvesting. The advanced transmission system optimizes performance in all terrain conditions, ensuring the job is done quickly and efficiently. Not only powerful, the Lamborghini 784L also scores with its modern design, spacious cockpit and intelligent support features, providing a comfortable, safe and precise operating experience. This is the ideal choice for those who want to take their agricultural production to a whole new level. Thank you for joining us for this epic event. Top Moments TV. If you enjoyed seeing these powerful machines in action, like and subscribe for more. We'll be back with more thrills content. See you next time.